Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to send a contact to a community on WhatsApp web. It's a quick and easy way to share important contact information with your community members. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your desktop or laptop. Step 2. Navigate to the community where you want to send the contact. Step 3. Look for the plus icon located on the left side of the chat box and click on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Contact. Step 5. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the desired contact and check the box next to it. Step 6. Finally, press the Send button to share the contact with your community. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a contact to a community on WhatsApp web. It's a convenient way to share important contact details and stay connected with your community members. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay connected and see you in the next video.